Hello everyone! So if you want to enable Hey Siri on your iPhone 12 Pro, open up your settings. Now we gotta scroll down to our Siri tab. Here it is. Now tap on Talk to Siri and choose Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. I'm gonna choose a classic one, so Hey Siri. Now we are prompted to enable Siri. Let's do this. Now we are to select a voice for Siri. Choose the one to your taste, it doesn't really matter.
The colours of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Alright, press next. Now we gotta set up Hey Siri, press continue. Now let's say, Hey Siri, how's the weather? Alright. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Alright, now our Siri is ready. So let's press done and let's try it out. So go to your home screen and let's try something. Hey Siri, what is the weather today? Okay Siri, tell me the weather for Prague. As you see, it works perfectly. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.